Okay, so we're going to try and change our navigation bar from being just a static navigation bar into being an interactive one. So you can find this task in GCSE Digital Technology, Unit 3, Website Guidance. And we're going through a practice task and making your menu interactive. So that's what we're looking for. And we have this resource over here, which allows you to download the website. So I've already done that. I have it in a folder. So here it is in my GCSE Digital Technology folder. Got Axolotl website. You can see it's in the zipped folder here. So you can just go extract all and extract, and we'll create another folder in there. Okay, so I've now got my Axolotl website that doesn't have the zip on it. So this is unzipped, it's uncompressed, and here's my website folder here. So these are the files that are in here. It's got all the images and everything that is connected to the files, and that's all been set up before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my index file here, and I'm going to edit it in ++. So we're going to have a look here. So there's 3 stages to this. The first stage is we need to convert this navigation bar just from being standard text list of links. We need to convert it into a bullet list or an unordered list. Then we need to add the style, so that'll change what it looks like. And then finally, we need to identify which is the active one on this page. So just so as you can see what that file looks like, when we open it at the moment, this is what it looks like. So there's our navigation bar up at the top. We've got our home, our about, and our talent, and that links to the other pages in the site. So let's have a look at the code. And we're taking these examples from this w3schools.com CSS horizontal navigation bar. There's a link to that on the page for the practice task in Firefly, so you can pick it up from there if you want. There's a lot more on this page than what we're going to do. We're just going to pick and choose a few things from here just to get something like this navigation bar here set up on the page. But there's loads of extra stuff that you can do on this page that we're not going to get involved in. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to convert our horizontal navigation bar from being an ordinary text list into being this, which is an unordered list. So we've got this tag, which is a UL, an unordered list tag, and then each of these are list items. Okay, so each of our links goes inside a list item tag. So going back to our page, each of these is going to go inside a list item tag. And that whole thing goes inside an unordered list tag. So just to make things a little bit clearer to read and to standardize it, I'm going to tab those in so that you can see that our unordered list contains these 3 list items, and you can click on each of those tags just to check that you've got the opening and closing tags set up properly. Okay, if you click on one of these and, for example, you've accidentally not typed the I on there, when you click on that, you won't get anything highlighting. Okay, so you should get the 2 of them being highlighted if you've got it done correctly. So that's the end of stage 1. We've set up our navigation bar to be an unordered list. If we save that and now go and open it up in the browser again, it now looks like this. Now that's not exactly what we want our navigation bar to look like, but we're only on stage 1 of 3.